We take you to the scene of a deadly shooting last night where police tape blocked off a black pickup truck that belonged to Andrew Mall. Jacksonville police are investigating what made a man allegedly shoot and kill someone he knew. WND's Megan Odell canvassed Jacksonville, putting the many pieces of this puzzle together.
It began Friday evening in Jacksonville, Illinois, a population of only 19,000, and a murder taking over the city and right in the police department's parking lot.
Jacksonville Police Department received a call around 6 p.m. last night of potential shots fired in the police department parking lot. The responding officers did in fact find evidence that supported that shots had indeed been fired and had located a male victim.
The male victim has been identified as 36-year-old Andrew B. Mall, a business owner who was shot dead in his truck by 61-year-old Robert H. Gill, who authorities confirmed is his former father-in-law. As more discoveries were made, more twists and turns developed in the case.
A short time after the shooting occurred in the parking lot here, we had a report or heard a report of a fire out in the county. Then a short time after that, we had a report of a vehicle fire in the county.
Sheriff Randy Duvendak is in charge of the arson report and crash that occurred just minutes after the shooting. He confirmed that Mall's former father-in-law is suspected in all three incidents.
I would say he would be a person of interest in each case.
The home that was set on fire is in fact the home of Debbie Mall, a close relation to the victim.
The victim of the house fire is the mother of the deceased.
Robert H. Gill was taken to a hospital after suffering injuries from the crash. Authorities filed a warrant for his arrest in the murder of his ex-son-in-law, Andrew Mall. Bail is set at $3 million. Megan Odell, WAND News.
Thanks, Megan.